You can look successful on the outside and still live in survival mode on the inside. I know because that was me. Today I want to talk about what survival mode really feels like and how you start getting out of it. I'm Iveta, co-founder of Iveta Simone and Mirror World. I'm not speaking from a textbook. I'm speaking from inside the pressure. I've been building businesses, managing responsibility, and slowly burning out without even realizing it. Quick disclaimer here, this podcast is not therapy. It's real life thinking out loud. If you're in serious psychological distress, always seek professional help. This is about understanding yourself, not diagnosing yourself. What is survival mode? Survival mode doesn't look like panic attacks all the time. Most of the time, it looks like being highly functional, even. You work, you solve problems, you carry responsibilities, but inside your system is never calm. You are always braced for impact. In survival mode, you don't feel sad. You feel switched on. Always alert, always managing, always holding things together. You stop dreaming. You start managing damage. Survival mode makes you productive, but not peaceful. It can build businesses and quietly destroy you at the same time. The danger passes, but the body doesn't get the memo. So you keep living as if the crisis is still happening, even when it isn't. Exiting survival mode doesn't start with changing your life. It starts with changing how your nervous system feels inside life. The first step is not motivation. It's permission. Permission to slow down without guilt. Permission to not be strong for 5 minutes. Permission to stop proving your worth through exhaustion. This podcast is about rebuilding yourself from the inside out while life is still happening. Not after everything is fixed, but during. See you next week.